Hey TikTok fam, today I'm spilling all the beans about why I absolutely love promoting digital products. So let's dive right into it. So number one is that I don't have to create products, right? I don't want to do it. So you know what is amazing about that? I don't have to spend endless hours creating my own product, trying to see if it might work, it might not. I get to spend more time doing what truly matters, okay? Step number two is I have a done for you product. So there's no stress to me. I get to promote a done for you digital product, and that's a game changer. The hard work's already done, the messaging's already proven. There's no guesswork about if it's in demand, it already is, and that's peace of mind to me. Step number three is the profits, right? Because I get to work my business for 2 hours a day and get 100% profit. So say yes, please, right? So imagine this, we get 100% profit. The alternative is doing something like network marketing or MLM where you might get 20% profit, maybe 50% profit. I will take 100% profit. Thank you. Number four is that it's minimal cost and maximum gains. Our setup is really sweet and simple. There's no hidden fees, there's no monthly costs, and no complicated overhead. All we have to do is focus on growth. Number five is that in 2 days, you could be set up for success. So believe it or not, in 2 days, you can have an automated business setup that paves the way for you to have time freedom, financial freedom, and you can be able to earn on your terms. So if you want to learn more about our amazing digital products and our supportive digital growth community, go ahead and drop a powerful "I'm ready" in the comments. Let's connect and I'll shoot you over the information. Bye.